Hi guys, a couple of weeks ago I made some homemade burgers and this is how I did it. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Teddy, and today we're going to be making hamburgers with chips. The chips first because they take longer to cook. They're on 200 degrees for 20 minutes.
Okay, Ted, so the chips are in the oven. What do we do next?
We need to tear the bread into small pieces.
Okay.
And then put them in a bowl.
Cool, let's go.
Broke the bread pieces up. We're getting a large pinch of herbs into the bowl. Now we put the hard things in, and now we're going to get 2 tablespoons of milk. Put it in. Next we need to put 2 teaspoons of soy sauce into this bowl. So we've left it to soak to 2 to 3 minutes, and now we're going to mash it with a fork. Hurry! Next we need to finely chop an onion and then add it to the mix. Oh my god. Next we add the mince and mix it all together. Mashing things, the burger together, and now we're going to make this into a burger. Burgers in the oven for 10 minutes and it's at 200.
What do we think of Ted's homemade burgers and chips?
Nice.
I don't know
Yeah?
if I can try them.
Do they look nice though?
The bread is homemade.
Awesome. Well done, Ted.
Fully homemade all this.
Awesome. Enjoy, everyone. Yay!
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
I got cheese. I got special cheese and I gave you cheese.
Oh, high five me. My bit of burger to try. That's amazing.
Huh?
It's really soft. Oh, Ted, they're amazing.
I'm actually giving you loads of fruit and veggies because I'm giving you onions.
Yeah, it's put inside it, isn't it? After Ted, that tastes really nice, babe. Mwah. Well done, mate, too.